The time in England in the 1200s, there were people who were in the House of Lords because they owned a certain amount of land. That's why when you own land, you're called a landlord. And what was happening is these landlords had peasants living. It's an impolite term, but that's how history is written.
Sure.
And those peasants were made to pay a certain levy to the landlords, who paid a certain levy to the king. That's how the king lived. And what happened is the king pushed up the levy. The landlords pushed up the levy to the peasants, and the peasants were like, we can't pay this.
Sure.
So this one particular farmer leads an entire revolution. They march through the streets and they eventually arrive in the city of London, which, by the way, most people don't know that the person who actually founded the walls that protected the city of London is an African, a man called Severus. That's why my crypto startup was named Severus. All of this is happening. This guy marches on the street. He basically gets to the steps of the king. The king is forced to now sit with these people, and they're like, look, chief, if you don't change the rules, you're out.
Sure.
And they force him to write a charter. The Latin for it was a Magna Carta, the Great Charter. That charter is the foundation of some of the rules and laws we hold to be true in society today. It was the first time it was written on paper that all men are created equal, that all men will be presumed innocent until proven guilty by the law. It was the first time those ideas were written on paper, ideas we live by today.